this short video I'm going to demonstrate how to install new worn lockout hubs in 78 to 97 Ford Dana 50 and Dana 60. However, the procedure is very much the same for the similar area GM and Dodge vehicles. Once you've installed the hub on the spindle, it's time to add the spindle nuts and washers. If you are converting from Ford auto locking hubs that use this type of nut with a retaining clip, this is a good time to get rid of those because there's no provision on the back of a manual locking hub to keep that little tab from falling out of the spindle nut. So at this time you go ahead and install the inner nut with that little peg facing out. Once you've installed the inner nut, align the holes in the washer with the peg. Sometimes you may have to flip the washer to get it to line up. Then install the outer nut. Once the spindle nuts have been installed and torqued to the factory specification, which can be found in the factory service manual, it's time to drop in the lockout hub body. Now ordinarily there would be an axle shaft right here, and at this time we'd go ahead and take your axle shaft snap ring and install it on the axle shaft to prevent the hub body from falling out of the wheel hub as you're working on it. Once that's done, it's time to install the hub body retaining ring. On older worn kits, it would have a blued snap ring that looks like this, a spiral snap ring. These are a little bit bigger than what is currently being offered. They will still go in, but they just go in a little bit tighter. The current offering is just a plain metal snap ring, which the diameter is a little bit smaller than the blued snap ring. Or if this is in the worn premium kits, if you get the standard worn Chinese lockout hub kit, it will be the same diameter snap ring, but it'll probably just be an orange color. To install the snap ring, separate it like this, and there are 3 spots on the hub body to help. They're a little wider to help you get it started. And it goes in just like that. It actually will go in a little bit more. It's starting to get tight, but that's as far as I'm going to put it in for this video, just so I don't have to go dig some pliers out to remove it. But that's how you would remove it as well. You'd get a pick in behind it, peel it out enough to get some pliers on it, and then just unscrew it with the pliers a little bit until you can get your hand on it. And that's how you take it back out. Once that's on, you line up notches in the hub cap into the hub body. And the standard imported hubs will have something similar, except instead of going on the outside, they will go on the inside. Just like that. Like that. As you can see, even though these parts are made on different continents, they are interchangeable for the fit. Once you have that done, you would add your Allen head screws or your Torx head screws if you purchase the upgraded screw kit from us. And this premium kit happens to come with O-rings to seal, whereas the standard kit does not. If your kit does come with O-rings, you put them on the screws and put the screws in, tighten them down, you're ready to go.